Hello everyone, it is Walt here giving you a really quick video called How to Relieve Stress in 5 Minutes or Less, okay? Because this is something I have found extremely useful, and I think this is something you guys are going to find useful too. Now, stress is one of those things where it starts to just build up and build up and build up, and it just has this snowball effect, and you just are getting run over by this giant boulder, basically, by the end of it, an entire avalanche. And it is just so painful. There are tension headaches, there's this frustration, some people get migraines, some people get digestive problems. Sometimes stress just goes on for years, and it can lead to depression, it can lead to anxiety, it can lead to all these horrible kind of side effects. And often the root of our stress are really dumb things, okay? Now, the reason for this is our mind kind of has this idea that we should be able to have power to control many things, okay? Now, there's some people with these psychological disorders like OCPD, which is this obsessive compulsive personality disorder, which is really this disorder trying to get them to feel like they should control everything, and in doing so, they end up overworking themselves and getting basically nothing done because they have this perfectionist tendency. And nearly all of us in this society today are programmed with this perfectionism. We think we have to do everything perfectly all the time, and so we're just basically, we get up every morning and we get nailed with this list of 100 things to do. Okay, do this, do that, do this, do that, and then we feel like we have to do all of it. Even if there are 102 items on the list and we do 101 of them, we're still going to feel bad about it by the end of it, because basically this perfectionist tendency has set us up to lose every time, okay? It is something where we are going to lose, and it's going to cause us more and more and more stress. So why would we do this to ourselves? Well, it's a fearful thing, okay? Perfectionism really stems from fear, and it offers itself as a solution to fear, even though it's a really fake solution. Okay, so that's basically the theory behind it. Okay, we give ourselves a lot of stress because of this. Now, this isn't really our fault. It's not entirely our ideas, and I don't want to blame anybody for it, but that's just kind of how things are so much these days. We're nailed with so much work even by other people when we're not perfectionists, and this can put us back in the perfectionist state of saying, I got to do all this perfectly, because when we're overwhelmed, we think we have to do it all well. Well, the truth is, we don't, okay? A lot of times, relieving stress, first off, I'm going to give you the instant stress kind of relief technique. I'd recommend this one. This one can be found pretty much everywhere, but it's one where you're slowly going to just sit there, okay? And you're going to tighten and relax your muscles in your body. You're going to start with your head. You're going to go down to your neck. You're going to go down through your body, down to your arms, then down to your stomach, down to your legs, even down to your feet, okay? You're going to take 3 to 5 minutes to do this when you're feeling the most amount of stress. If this doesn't work, then, if you have horrible headaches and you need to take something for that, as long as you're not, ruining your liver doing so, or if it's rare enough, then go ahead, deal with it that way. There are other great relief techniques, okay? But one of the best ones I find is this relaxation technique, or do a meditation. If you can do a 5-minute meditation or guided meditation, there's some wonderful ones I'd recommend from Jason Stevenson. He has some great 5-minute meditations that really get me relaxed all the time. If you guys haven't heard of his stuff, definitely check it out. Anyway, that's about it for how you do well with the stress in the short run, okay? Just coping with it. But in the long run, you need to be able to get out from under it, and that's going to require you to cure your perfectionism. And that really is about letting go of the illusion of control. When you can let go of the fact that everything has to go perfectly, it has to work out this way, why isn't it already this way? When you can just let go of that, back away, live in the present moment, and say, you know what, I'm going to enjoy the journey, and I'm going to enjoy the destination. And realize that perfectionism is not your friend. When you think, I have to do this perfectly, this person didn't do it perfectly, okay? There's never a way to always do it perfectly, or almost to ever do it perfectly. Perfect is a standard that just cannot be reached, okay? Practice does not make perfect, practice makes better. And anything that's worth doing is worth doing badly. If you guys haven't seen my video on that one, check it out, because that is a great solution. Step 1, okay, do the relaxation. Start in your head, move down through your body, pretty basic, or do a meditation that, is going to be only like 5 minutes, because that can relieve your stress. In the long run, getting rid of your perfectionism, getting rid of your fear, which is one of my main missions here, is going to be the solution to getting rid of stress. So yeah, that's how you get rid of stress in 5 minutes or less. I'm Walt. I'll see you guys with the next video, so stay tuned. I'll see you then.